Imagine a world where your doctor never misses a symptom because AI catches it first, where life-saving meds drop from the sky, and your therapist lives inside your VR headset. This isn't sci-fi, it's 2025. And if you don't know these 5 telemedicine trends, you're already behind. Spoiler, your future doctor might literally be a drone. Before we reveal the tech rewriting healthcare, hit subscribe. This is the breakdown every patient and futurist needs. Trend 1: Remote Patient Monitoring (RPM). 90% of US patients already used telehealth last year. Chronic diseases? Managed 24/7 without clinics. Real impact of 1,300% spike in RPM claims since 2019. But here's the dark side: what happens when hackers target your heartbeat data? Trend 2: Personalized Digital Therapeutics (DTX). Forget one-size-fits-all meds. DTX tailors treatment to your DNA and cuts global deaths by 84%. Would you trust an algorithm over your doctor? Comment below. Trend 3: AI doctors. AI now reads X-rays 40% more accurately than humans. But can it handle a panic attack? Trend 4: Big data equals smarter pandemics. 10,000 exabytes of health data by 2025 equals predicting outbreaks before they happen. Trend 5: Medical drones. Delivery time for emergency meds? 15 minutes. Traffic? 0 FCKS given. And the scariest part? These trends aren't coming soon, they're already here. Here's how to future-proof your health. Demand RPM from your insurer saves $20,000 per year on chronic care. Try DTX apps like Wobot before you need a shrink. Warning: avoid cheap wearables. Your data's worth more than gold. P.S. Telehealth stocks are skyrocketing. Miss this wave, and you'll kick yourself in 2026 if you trust an AI doctor. Subscribe for uncensored future tech. Watch next. AI just replaced your therapist. Link below.